Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 3rd of November 2024. I'll be going over my weekly predictions for gold, that is pounds per US dollar, or XAU USD. That's all for, before getting into this video, however, it is important for me to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. Let me reiterate, this is not a trading guide or an investing guide. It is simply a log of my predictions with their rationale. So use this video in the appropriate manner. Now, with that out of the way, let's just get into the video. Now, monthly charts, we can see, again, quite bullish for gold. Gold, historically, an inflation hedge, safe commodity per se. Now, RSI, very bullish for gold. MACD, very bullish for gold. Price action in the intermediate term, very bullish again. We can see how bullish this gold has been on not particularly high volume, but on increasing volume, which is encouraging, meaning this uptrend is supported by volume. Now, the month of October closed quite bullish as it went up 100 points, or around 4.15%. And we can see that's basically the signal we get, quite bullish, coming from the monthly charts, that is. Weekly charts, again, very similar. Increasing volume in the recent past. Very strong upwards price movement. MACD bullish, RSI bullish. Patterns. Now this here is interesting because this here almost completely resembles a gravestone doji. Now, this typically is a bearish indicator, and as such, the support and resistance that I will outline in the Excel sheet are placed. But this is more or less as close to a perfect gravestone doji as you'll get, and which is quite bearish. So we could expect to see a bearish movement this week from gold just based off of this candlestick pattern. However, there's obviously more in case that there isn't. Appropriate stops, resistances, and supports are placed to capitalize on whichever direction gold will go. Now, daily charts, again, similarly, increasing price trend. RSI, however, interestingly, is actually bearish from this point here. So there is actually a minor bearish divergence here, considering that price has rose astronomically, whereas RSI really hasn't. It's actually a downward sloping line. MACD has actually given us a bearish signal on the last day. So again, mixed signals coming from the short term. We do need some price action to kind of dictate where this is going to go, but this is all we can get from the charts. There was no trade last week, 2 weeks ago. This week, we'll buy when it crosses 2,789.97 and sell when it falls below 2,685.48 with a target of 2% and a trailing stop loss of 1%. If neither the target or stop loss are hit, then we will close on Friday. The weekly and monthly trend are up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.